Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my little glow up makeup routine. I don't know. I was looking like a bum. I've been looking like a bum all week, basically. Today's Monday, so all weekend I was looking like a bum. I didn't do shit. So I wanted to, you know, look cute. And I did take some pictures, and I need to do some other stuff that required me to wear makeup. So I was like, you know what, let me record me getting ready, you know, to do what I need to do. So I will be showing you guys how I install my hair today, which is a little bit different than my previous videos. And then I'll be showing you guys how I do this makeup. This is my everyday glam makeup routine. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, then keep on watching. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Compartan el video con sus familiares. You know, share with friends and family and all of that. And enjoy. We are going to start by putting on my wig. Honestly, I don't really know what I want to film. I just know that I want to get myself together today. So I was like, you know what? Why not record it? So first thing, I want to apologize if you guys can hear the fan, because I know my microphone picks everything up, including the fan. But your girl is hot, okay? It's hot out here, so bear with me. Today I'm gonna put on this long curly wig. This is from Beauty Forever Hair. So that's the wig I'm using for today. I'm taking some hairspray. This is some Toque Mágico hairspray that I got from a regular ass store here in DR. I'm just gonna spray that on the perimeter of my hairline, and then I'm going to take un peinecito. I'm just gonna brush my edges back. Like that. And then now I'm gonna put the wig cap on. And now we're looking like this. I can't see anything. I don't know if I've done the ball cap method on my channel before, but I used to do it a lot. Like, I don't know, last year, like 2019, I would not apply my wig if it wasn't with the ball cap method. Girl. So I'm just gonna cut it here so I can actually see. So I'm just gonna pull it down. Le hacemos un hoyito en la oreja. Both sides. Like that. And then I'll just take like my nail, my finger, and I just put my ear through that little hole. If you need to make it bigger, then go ahead and do that. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm going to take some foundation, and I'm just gonna use whatever foundation I have at hand. This is the Makeup Revolution one. I'm just gonna put that all over the wig cap. So what I do now is that I take some of the same hairspray that I used to spray down my edges. I'm gonna use that to like glue down the wig cap, well, the stocking cap. Okay, so I'm just gonna let the hairspray dry for a little bit, and then we're gonna go in to do the rest. Okay, it's been a couple minutes and this should be dry now. So what I'm going to do is that I'm taking my scissors and I'm just gonna cut here in the middle. And what I do is that basically we're gonna cut close to my hairline, you know, cerquecita. And I'm just gonna start with this. So you just, as you can see, it's stuck. So I'm just gonna lift it up to about here. I just make sure that my actual hair is covered. So what I like to do when it comes to my ear is I leave this right here because it always lifts up. So I leave it there. And then I proceed on to cutting on the other side. So now I'm just gonna push my wig back a little bit like this. I'm gonna take a hair clip like this one, clip my hair back. Okay, so basically what I do is that I tie this little thing right here. I don't always do this, but sometimes I do. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit of this onto this right here, just so it glues down. So the glue that I'm using today is the Bold Hold Active. That's the same glue I used the last time I applied my wig with hair glue, and I really liked it, how it like came out and how long it was holding up for. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on here. So the trick to this not lifting, para que no se te levante, you're gonna put the glue and you're gonna go downwards. So no es para arriba, sino para abajo. Tú te vas a aplicar la lace glue. So as you can see, I'm going down and to the side, and I like to do this in sections. Sometimes I do it all over at the same time, but normally the safest way, si tú nunca lo has hecho antes, is to go like in sections. If you've never done this before, the easiest and safest way is to do it in sections. So you do obviously the middle part first. You let it dry so it gets clear like you see right here, and then you can go over with the second coat. I'm just gonna extend this coat a little bit until here. I'm literally not getting any glue on my baby hairs, and that's what I love about this technique. Like, there's probably like 2 strands of hair right here, and honestly I don't feel like getting lace glue on your baby hairs, or like on your getting lace glue on your hairline is really not that bad. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying to do it, but if you just know how to remove it properly, your edges will be fine. Literally, I've done it multiple times and my edges are perfect, growing and shining, baby. So I do about 2 to 3 coats. You know, I don't really count them, if I'm being honest. I kind of just apply whenever I feel like it's enough. It's enough. Okay, so now we are going to push the wig on to where we put the glue. So just make sure that you're actually placing the wig where you want it to be before you kind of, you know, press down and do all that jazz. So the wig is where I want it to be right now. So I'm just going to take the end of my comb, push down. I hope I'm like in focus so you guys can like see what I'm doing. Okay, so then we're gonna go back in and do the same thing on this side. On this side, I'm just gonna speed it up so you guys can just watch and you're gonna like listen to some music, whatever, because that's what I'm gonna do.
Playing on the track.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do, my water is hot. So I just tied my hair back. I put some water just to slick the hair like all the way back. So now I'm going to take some hairspray, my edge brush, and then I'm going to spray it on my brush here. I'm gonna start to create my baby hairs. Okay, so what I do now is that I'm going to tie down my hair, but first it's time to cut this part off. It's time to cut this. So when I'm cutting this, I'm literally just like lifting and cutting it up to my ear, and this is the result. And then I just cut like that. And like that. So now you just take your headband. Mine is kind of dirty, so don't judge. And you just put it on top. Tie it down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray down the hair and basically detangle it. So it's a lot later. I did my brows off camera because it takes forever. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm going to, so I did my brows, I did my skincare routine, I did all of that, like I prepped my skin like I'm ready to go. So I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation, and I am in the shade 400N. So I'm just gonna take this brush. This is the Luxie 510. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on the brush, and I'm just gonna apply it where I would normally apply concealer. Just gonna blend out. So when I use this as concealer, obviously I guess I double conceal, if that's what I should call it. So I use this to conceal anything that I want to conceal, like, you know, and then I use the other concealer to brighten my under eyes, you know. Now that I concealed, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline. Actually, I want to use the NARS one, but I can't find it. I was looking for it, but I can't find it. And this is literally the same concealer I've been using for the past month or so. It's just been my go-to, and it's just doing the job. I'm gonna take a foundation that is too dark for my skin. This is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and this is in the shade Belem. And I'm gonna use that as a contour, taking the Luxie 504. This is a angled brush. So now I'm just gonna blend out the concealer. For my powder, I'm gonna be using my Sasha Buttercup powder. I'm using the Laura Mercier medium powder. Well, the Laura Mercier translucent powder in the color medium to set my contour, and also you guys are gonna see it. Y'all gonna see. And then what I do is that I take the same powder, well, the same brush, and I'm just gonna dust off the excess powder. Then what I do now is that I take my little contour brush for my nose, and I take the same powder and I bronze or contour my nose. Next thing I do is that I take a blending brush and I take the same bronzing powder, well, the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm gonna use that on my eyes. I just want to create some depth in my eye, but not too much, just like a little bit. I don't know if you guys see the difference, but there's definitely a difference. We're gonna do my liner. So for my liner today, I'm gonna be using this Hank & Henry Slick with H Blickety Black Longwear Liquid Liner. So now we're gonna put on some lashes, baby. So my lashes today are the Bossy lashes from Savage. Now the only thing that, you know, I like the lashes, obviously, duh. I love them, but I also like to like layer my lashes. I used to do that a lot back in the days. Like, I sound like I'm old, but I'm getting old. I used to do that a lot when I started doing makeup. So I layered 2 Bossy lashes, one on top of the other, and baby, it's giving me the va boom that I want. So that's what we're doing. Are you guys seeing these lashes though? Like, baby, they are everything. I'm gonna take this little Alamar Cosmetics a blush trio, and I'm gonna mix all 3 of them because I like doing that. And put on some blush. Oh, my mic is showing. I'm sorry. So this is the final look. This is such a like basic as IANDRA type of look, but we love that, don't we? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this video with friends and family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.